In lesson 5.6, we're going to talk about evaluating a 3 by 3 determinant. So in order to do that, notice what they've done here. The determinant is this a sub 1, b sub 1, c sub 1 for the first row. So what's inside the bars here, that's the determinant. And they've recopied the first two rows and placed it on the outside here. And then they've gone through and looked at, this is the primary diagonal, so they've got one product there, and then another primary diagonal, they're multiplying those together, and then a third primary diagonal, and then they subtract the secondary ones, the product of those three terms, and the second secondary, and the third secondary diagonal. So when you're given a problem with numerical values, such as this one, where we've got this 3 by 3 matrix, to evaluate that algebraically, what you would do is recopy those first two columns, and then we'd go through and look at the primary diagonals. So that's the first one, and that's the second, and that's the third. Multiply those together. And then we're going to subtract the secondary diagonals. So this is a secondary diagonal, this is a secondary, and this one's secondary. And when we do that arithmetic, then our final answer ends up being 25. Now, that's the way we do it by hand. We could also look at this problem using the calculator.